Sorry, I had to take a phone call. Okay, so where were we? With this, we're going to move on now. With this unique double coil spring. Moving on. Lower receiver. Nothing special. Here, I'm going to put the spring back in there so that I don't lose it. Spring just falls right in there. Let me do that again. Spring just falls right in. Doesn't really lock in. It just freely moves about in there. So I'll put it in a little holder over here so that I don't lose the spring or the upper receiver, or lower receiver. Moving on to the upper receiver itself. So, this has the bent. I already said that. That's my fault. I'm sorry. Okay, so you see the clicking mechanism here? Very unique function. Okay? Are you ready? Watch this. Did you hear that? Look at that. Isn't that awesome? The whole clicking mechanism just moves freely about. But it doesn't fall out because this is very small. So I could go like this all freaking day and nothing will happen. It won't fall out. I like this design because the problem I've actually had plenty of times with assembling and disassembling my pens is losing one of either the extracted piece, like the outer piece, or the inner piece, or just both of them. I just lose in my pencil case. So very good design. I love how they made it small enough. And check this out. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this on the camera, but watch the extruded part. Yeah, I don't think you can really see it. You kind of can. See? Take note right here. Take note to the color. There's like part, when it clicks, part of the inner piece moves into the outer piece, giving it a very nice look. Like, see, that would be when it's in, when it's in. And then when you, wait, no, that would, I'm messing up. Out, like when the pen is out in writing mode. And this is when it would be in. But this wouldn't be down, this wouldn't be up. The spring and the thing would keep it like this. What? Hold on. Okay. I'm trying to think. Hold on. Let's just reassemble it real quick. Very easy assembly. Just put that in. Make sure, check, see, that unique double coil spring fell out. That's the only thing I don't like. Fell out again. So what I like to do is I like to put the spring on first. And it gets caught on the two fins, kinda. And you put the lower receiver on and spin it on. Okay, so yeah, I was right. This is in writing mode. It's like that. This is it in writing mode, and this is it when it's out. Writing mode. Out. In, I mean. Writing mode. In. So, disassembly again. Take the spring out, put it in there. Moving on past the upper receiver to the ink. Now, normally if I was somewhere else in my room or at school, I'd take off the tip. See the metal piece? I would take that off and extrude some ink and test the consistency. But I'm in a truck right now, so I really can't. And as you can see, I haven't lost that much ink. The purple is where the ink started, and I didn't use very much of it. But for that little bit, that lasted about a month or two. So this thing sips your ink. Sips it. And, see, I don't like this because it's white. I prefer a black ink cartridge, but once again, that's just me. So, very high writing quality out of this little ink cartridge. And overall, I'd have to give this pen at least a 8. So I was going to say 7, but then I was like, man, they do have that unique spring. So that spring, this unique spring, is very nice. Very ease of clicking. So let's just have a general overview now. So, very easy assembly and disassembly. Unique spring. Easy clicking. Freely moving clicking mechanism. Up and down. Can't fall out. Very nice. Very firm. Very good grip. Doesn't slide down. Made in China. Papermate Inkjoy. It's a 300 RT. Very good. Very, very good. And it's a 1.0. I like a 1.5, but a 1.0 is fine. So, very good pen. I'd recommend getting a pack of these, either for your kid or for yourself if you have a desk job and a lot of writing is involved. So, yeah, I'll see you on the next pen review.